Good morning. I changed my hair from the little clip you saw before, but I am now on my way to town. I'm going to go shopping with my mom, maybe some grocery shopping, and yeah, not exactly too sure where we're going yet, but figure it out together. So this is my meal prep for the next week. Some asparagus, cherry tomatoes, some of this, peppers and stuff. These are my favorite. I love these. I got my steak and my chicken, and I'm gonna pop it in the oven, and that's what I'm gonna eat for the next little bit, on top of other things, but I'm excited. He never likes to be on camera. That's why he's hiding behind my baby. My mother.
Yeah, quit the forehead there, Ken. Yeah.
This is all of it out of the oven. It looks so good. I can't wait to eat. And I just made a little cup of rice on the side to put with the rest. So now I'm going to meal prep everything. Okay, so I didn't have enough to make a third one with the chicken, so I just put all the chicken together with that. Then I got my steak ones right here. So that's my next 3 days. It's not so bad considering it's my first time doing this. So yeah. Okay. I am going to be home for the rest of the day. And I am not going anywhere, so I am going to change and get into comfortable clothes. Oh, I really, really miss my husband when he's on night shift. Sorry, I'm taking my eyebrows off. When he's on night shift, I always get so bored in the evenings. Well, I mean, I obviously have my kids that I take care of and hang out with in the evenings and everything, but the little one, he's so independent for his age. He loves to just play by himself, and my daughter has been independent since the moment she's been able to crawl. She just wants to play by herself, and she's literally like a little teenager already. Like, she will set up on her TV in her room or pick toys and play in her room all by herself, and if I try and go in there, she kicks me out. So love that already. Can't wait till she's a teenager. That's gonna be fun. But yeah, so I get really lonely in the evenings unless a friend of mine comes over or anything. So maybe I'll actually message a friend tonight, see if she want to come over with her daughter. And yeah, so I'm going to change, put my hair up because these curls are annoying me. And yeah, I'll check in with you later. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. I didn't do too much last night and stuff, so I didn't really vlog too much, so I'm gonna carry the vlog on through the next day. I am going to get her ready and dressed right now, and I'm going to go to the gym. Okay, I'm drinking my pre-workout. I'm going to put my hair up in this lovely hat. This is my mom's hat. I stole it from her. She cut like a hole in the top there so it can ponytail can come out. It is very handy. This morning I tried avocado toast for the first time, which I know it's like probably shocking to a lot of people that like I haven't tried that, but I liked it. But I don't know, it was my first time making it like at home, and I think I gotta try a couple different more recipes before I find one that I actually like. But yeah, I had avocado toast this morning and I am feeling meh. I didn't really like it. I'm gonna have to find something else I can do for breakfast because I have a hard time because I can't really eat eggs. I can't eat eggs, it hurts my stomach. But yeah, so I'm going to finish drinking this and then I'll see you guys at the gym. Okay, hopefully you can hear me, and I'm gonna make this quick so I don't get copyrighted by the music that's playing in the gym. But I'm done my workout. I did abs today, getting there. A little bit of booty's getting there too. Slowly. So I am home and showered and clean, and I'm probably gonna end the vlog here because I'm not gonna be doing much for the rest of the evening. It's just gonna be me and my kiddos and movies for the rest of the evening. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.